Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more interesting tips and tricks related on tripod or stand. If you have iPhone or Android phone, so which stand you need to purchase and which stand is affordable and which one is the best. Currently I have two types of stand, KraftGeek MagStand, and second one is Andobil MagSafe Stand. The prices, this one is a 30 US dollar and that one is 89 US dollar. So prices are huge. But this tripod is just supportable for iPhone related product, and this tripod support of any smartphone devices. But currently I have in iPhone, so look at this tripod features is one of the best iconic features. This stand you can record like this or like this. It's very easy to fix and the magnet quality is really outstanding and affordable price. If you have only Apple related product and budget friendly, so definitely you go with KraftGeek MagStand. But one of the disadvantage of this product, you just recording like this, or this is a screen like this. So front camera, if you are product or any other related product, so you need to use as a front camera, but you are not able to use like a backside camera, and you're thinking we can do like this, but this is a final portion to going to down. The portion is not going like this, and the height of this product, so look at this entire my height around less than 5.7 or 5.8 feet is product. Its quality, it's really nice, and as a price like a 29 US dollar is not so, the product quality is really good. And one more important points come here. If you purchase this tripod, so no need to put it any kind of seal here. This is a chargeable and you just simply put it here in the C type port. If you have 15 Pro Max, so you can very easily charge this one, and once charged and use 6 to 7 months continuously. So via Bluetooth you can very easily connect this product on your smartphone and capture the picture or record the video or video related clip. That is a big advantage of this one. One drawback, but you need to, this tripod just specially they are creating iPhone. Now next product comes here, Andobil MagSafe Stand. I purchased this product around 1.5 years ago, and this product I am purchasing just only last month. So this product advantage, you can just remove this one like this, and you can fix here your DSLR also very easily. And the height of this product like this, similar kind of height of both product. One of the big disadvantage of this, if you fix here this one, after 6 months this portion is automatically down. Nowadays I consider this product height like this, but apart from that the product is nice. One Bluetooth and camera button also available here. Here is also Bluetooth button, but here you need to put it the seal. This one is really, they are very techno friendly. This tripod you can use some of the LED lights and other format also. Now I just simply put it here. Here also magnetic is available in this particular portion. If you press here the lock, but one of the disadvantage, this magnet is not so strong compared to this one like this, but this is very easily falling down, like just simple touch, you just simple touch, so this is falling down. So you can just press and then fix this one. So now is a fix properly, but not so strong. If some little bit wind is come, so definitely this device is falling down and damaged. But one of the disadvantage, this one going to the like a 360 degrees of each and every portion. So like you can release this here, the button, release this one and going any of the portion. So if you are record some cooking related video, so this product is really nice and easy to use. But one of the biggest disadvantage, first one, this is very expensive, magnet is not strong, but apart from that the product is going good, the brand and the quality and finishing also very nice of this product. And this product is not restricted for iPhone. You can connect any types of smartphone. You can connect, record and use this product, and this product is, you just use only iPhone. Now you decide which product you want purchase. I am giving you genuine review, so you can use those product outside as a budget friendly or little expensive. You decide. If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.